You live in Tyler.
I live in Tyler.
And you came to Lindale to see a dentist.
Oh, I won't leave Dr. Denson.
All right. So how long have you been a patient here?
About 3 years.
Okay. And what brought you here originally?
Just genetically, I inherited bad teeth from both parents. And so I'm always in the dentist. And I found him, and I won't switch. Everyone asks, why do you drive all the way from Tyler? And I said, because I really like it here.
So tell me, what genetically you inherited bad teeth. What does that look like?
Because my mother and myself now, we just always had a mouthful of bridges and implants and things like that. And so I've had it early on, and I would get the bridges and stuff, and then they last about 10 years, and then mine would break or just something would happen. And so that's why Dr. Denson talked to me about the teeth in the day, that I wouldn't have that problem anymore. He said he could do the least expensive and do more implants and bridges and stuff like that, but I would just have to go through this again in a few years later. So we just decided to do this for a more permanent fix. My teeth were really pretty in the front, but in the back, I was always having to get work done, and that cost a lot of money. And so I didn't have my smile, but it just hit my bank account a lot every time I had to dip in there. So with this being a more permanent fix, it was just the best thing for me.
Right.
I had teeth in a day, and I didn't really understand that. I just knew they said you would walk out with teeth, so don't worry about it. I was put to sleep, and I don't really know what to do.
Yeah.
I just came out with beautiful teeth, and these are actually my temporary ones, and I really like them. I kind of want to keep them, but we're not quite done with permanent. I was just nervous about the procedure itself. Like, the staff makes you feel comfortable, and so I didn't have a worry as far as that's concerned, and I knew they had my best interest in mind. So I was put to sleep. Everything went well. It took about 4 hours, and then I was done, left here. Of course, a little swollen in the mouth, and you come back the next day, immediately the next day, to make sure everything's still okay. And and then a follow-up and another follow-up until you get the permanent ones done. So
Tell me a little bit about Dr. Denson.
well, he's just really friendly, really nice. He actually knows my boss, so he'll kid with me about that. And I really, when he said after I do this procedure for a few months, I'm going to be on a fish and pasta diet. And so he would tell me that he told my boss not to order hamburgers, or if they supply us with lunch at work, make sure they are customized to my fish and pasta diet. But he's funny. They treat me like family around here, even have a little nickname for me, and just really friendly and professional when they need to be. Like I said, when I come in, it's like coming into your house with a room full of family. As soon as I walk in, Kelly greets me. She's the one I always talk to on the phone. And just all of them. I mean, I have Maddie usually that is helping me, and she actually knows someone I know, so it makes me feel comfortable that we can catch up like that. But anyone will approach me and ask how I'm doing, and they're just all really professional, really friendly. They call me, they text me, make sure I can make the appointment. They're really accommodating. Like I said, I work in Tyler, so I drive all the way over here, and they're real accommodating, flexible with my schedule. I will make an appointment, and if something comes up, they're able to switch me around or switch someone else around. Just thank you so much for a beautiful smile. I'm very proud of it. I think I wear it well, and I have you to thank for it. Dr. Denson, one time I was at home and I was brushing my pet, and I grit down really hard and actually chipped our front tooth. And I called this place, and they said, they gave me the phone number personal number to Dr. Denson. He always says call him personally if something goes wrong. But this was just this happened one day, and I called him that night, and he said, come in at 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'll get you fixed, and he did. So I was glad they were able to work me in quick, and like I said, real personable that he wanted to talk to me personally, and gave out his, they gave his number, and he met up here and fixed my problem. He cares about me. Yeah. He takes interest in his clients, and he wants them to be happy, and just that he's real flexible and accommodating, and wants what's best.